How to unlink TikTok from Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can unlink TikTok from Facebook account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing, you will need to have your TikTok account and make sure that you've updated it to the latest version. After that, you can open TikTok up and head over to your profile on the bottom right. Now tap on the three lines on the top right corner and then tap on settings and privacy. After doing that, you will see different settings option right here. Head over to privacy and under privacy you will see sync contacts and Facebook friends. Tap on it and there you will see Facebook friends. Now here you can remove previously synced friends and then just turn this button off. After doing that, you will now have unlinked or disconnected your TikTok from your Facebook. And that's basically how you do it. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.